Here this morning may not be a bad morning to take your dog for a walk if you've got the opportunity to do so, as it is a gorgeous morning outside. Gorgeous sunrise coming up over across the region right now as well, and lower humidity, less wind, lots of blue sky expected here today. A live view atop the Bald Knob Cross of Peace. You can see some low clouds, maybe a little fog in some of the valleys, as we have seen winds relax here through much of the overnight hours. But notice not a cloud in the sky looking out Alto Pass, and of course looking over the Shawnee Hills. Great shot there early this morning. Again, sunny skies here through today, less wind, lower humidity for this time of year, and we are all in the green for the threat tracker through Friday and really through the weekend as well. Friday, see temperatures bump back just a bit. Humidity starts to increase, but another cold front arrives Friday night and makes for a great weekend here for the middle of June. We're talking temperatures upper 70s, low 80s, and lower humidity as well. Now, compared to this time yesterday morning, many of us are anywhere from about 20 to about 25 degrees colder. Now, we were out ahead of the cold front still at this point yesterday morning, so we still had temperatures running about 80 degrees. You check in this morning, though, and we've got temperatures back into the 50s in many locations. Right now in southern Illinois, it is 54 in Mount Vernon, 58 in McLeansboro, 58 also in Ridgeway. Further to the west, Carbondale's at 58 and some lower 60s into southwest Illinois through Union County, and Anna is at 61. Cairo is currently at 62, and further to the south into western Kentucky, Murray, one of the cooler spots there at 59 degrees, Princeton at 58, while Tiptonville, Tennessee is currently at 64 there near Reelfoot Lake. And then further to the west into southeast Missouri, ranging from the mid 50s back into the hills and to parts of Madison County there at Fredericktown at 56, while down into the bottoms there into the Boot Heel currently at 63 in New Madrid. You get the idea. It is a very pleasant morning. Big cold front moving through here yesterday morning, and that cold front now making its way up along the east coast. Big dome of high pressure taking control from the west into the south and west, and that's going to keep the cool air pumping in from the north and west. So the breeze today will be out of the north and west, but should be much lighter than yesterday. So we are under the control of high pressure for the next couple of days. Not expecting a cloud in the sky here coming up this afternoon. Now looking ahead to Friday, the high actually gets a little closer to us. So with that, we're going to see temperatures bump back up, temperatures back into the middle 80s. Humidity will also be on the rise Friday, but here comes our next cold front, and that moves through Friday night into Saturday, and it's going to go through dry, but it's going to turn winds back out of the north, and by Saturday we're also going to be watching that cooler air move back in. The lower humidity will also move back in. Dew points running in the mid 50s this afternoon. We'll jump back into the 60s for dew points on Friday, and then notice for the weekend and even into the early part of next week, dew points running into the 50s, and again for the middle of June. That is tough to beat. 83 degrees today for a high temperature, sunny skies and clear skies through the evening as well. Slightly cooler evening ahead for us. By 9, we're dropping back into the lower 70s, and by midnight, dipping back into the middle 60s. Big area of low pressure going to develop along the east coast coming up this weekend. That is actually, we're on the western side of it, so it's going to keep the cool air pumping in. So where's the heat? Where's the humidity? And when does it return? Well, it looks like maybe towards the second half of next week, we're going to see that big ridge, that big dome of high pressure center right over the Midwest. That should start to crank back up the heat and humidity. So enjoy the nice weather while we've got it. 86 Friday, Saturday, Sunday, temperatures in the morning, upper 50s, afternoon highs in the lower 80s. Monday, Tuesday, similar story now. By Tuesday afternoon, we're jumping back to about 85. And there it is, guys, by Wednesday, creeping much closer to 90 degrees.